Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I am doing my second crochet hair video. I actually have no idea where I was prior to my crochet braid discovery because this just happened like, I don't know, a couple of months ago. So I tried my first crochet braid style about a month ago and I just used Marley hair that I previously had, so I'll link that video over here or over here somewhere in this window. And I'm obsessed, I'm hooked. It is a natural hair protective style regimen that really works with me, and it allows my hair to grow underneath. It allows me to still access it as much as I need to take care of it during the month that I keep the crochet style in. So I'm really excited to be doing more of this through the year. What I also like is that it is so economical. This is the first time that I've had like extensions that haven't been in braids or twists that have been synthetic hair, and I was always like kind of nervous about synthetic hair because I thought I'd walk around looking really fake. Now I'm like all about the synthetic hair. Let me show you the hair. So this is the hair. It's the Freetress braid crochet hair, and it's a deep twist 22 inch, and I got it in the color 1B. Well, correction, I actually just realized right now that I got one packet in 1B, maybe because they were out of stock or I picked it wrong. And all the rest of the packets are in color 1. So you know what, I can do a little first impressions on this hair so far. For synthetic hair, like this feels really good, like really good. This is pretty comparable to the Indian Remy hair or Peruvian hair or whatever hair that I've been using over the years. I feel like perhaps the strand is just slightly thicker, but it's really soft, really nice to the touch. It comes in this packet over here, and if I take it out, it's just it's 22 inches folded, so it's actually 44 inches long, but I mean, who's gonna wear it like that? And it's a really beautiful curl pattern. Another thing what I love about this whole crochet situation is that this pack is like $5.99, and I'm sure I could probably find it cheaper if I tried and if I really looked online. So I got 5 packs, so that's really costing me like, what, 30 bucks? And I get so bored of my hair as well and want to change it all the time. So this is the solution, and this is why I love crochet braids so much, besides the obvious benefits of protective styling and being like a really fickle natural hair person who wants to look different all the time. So let's jump right into the video, and I'm going to show you how I got this installed. So as you can see, this is my braid pattern. I did everything straight back just to the center of my head, and then I have a zigzag at the back, which I'll turn around in a second to show you. And just to save myself a little bit, first of all, I don't braid because I don't really know how to braid. I'm really bad, and so I just flat twist instead of braid. I think it's better, since this is the ultimate goal, was to be protecting my hair. I think flat twisting is less manipulation, and it stays just neat enough for me. And I did it with the previous style, and it worked out great during the month, and I didn't feel like it loosened up or anything. So that's amazing, and that's a solution that you could try as well if you're not so good at braiding like me. Alternatively, you could go to a salon and get your hair braided, but like, who wants to do that anyway? So yeah. Or you got a sister, a mother, an aunt, a cousin, a friend that can braid your hair. That's a really great option too. Unfortunately, I do not have anybody that talented, so I flat twisted instead. Anyway, so what I did is I used this method which I saw on Taste Pink's channel. I don't know what her actual name is, but I will link it down below in the description box. So what I did, which I didn't do the previous time, is to cross over here in certain sections that I'll be parting, to make sure that the part stays smaller, and then and so that it stops at a certain point. So and then everything else just goes straight back. And so at the back, it's like, I know the struggle is real over here, but it is what it is. It doesn't have to be pretty. No one's seeing this. I'm not getting graded on this, so I don't really care as long as it stays in.
When the night is over, my 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time.